Communication is one of the most powerful tools we have to influence others. Throughout history, effective communication has been a driving force behind major social movements in civil rights, public health, gender equality, and more. The climate crisis is no different. How we communicate about it can either spark the urgent action needed or contribute to the inaction that has kept us from solving it so far. We know that climate change demands urgent action, but a big gap exists between what the science says needs to happen and what is actually being done. Confusion, misinformation, political divides, feelings of powerlessness, a sense that it's all happening on the other side of the world, or perhaps in rooms we don't have access to. All these issues and more can be stumbling blocks on the way to meaningful climate action. Traditional approaches to communicating climate change, with their emphasis on hard science, facts, data, guilt, fear, and very few real, specific, tangible actions folks can take to make a difference, they often fail to resonate with audiences, meaning many people feel disconnected from the broader issue. But here's the good news. There's a huge wealth of research and knowledge available that suggests we can do better. And we can use that information to help guide our communications, to avoid those stumbling blocks and generate more impactful outcomes.